Hello friends, welcome to Cook with Surbhi. Today I am going to show you the recipe of mango kulfi. So let's get started. For this we need 1 kg full fat milk. For this we have to pour it in a pan and then we will add approx 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and keep on stirring it. We have to reduce it till it is half, and you see on the upper side the cream will come, so we have to avoid it. Scrape it from all the sides and continuously stir it. You can keep the flame at high, but keep in mind to continuously stir it. Once it starts boiling, I am going to add 4 tablespoons of milk powder. So this is totally optional, you can avoid this step. Adding milk powder will bring a very creamy and it will help in reducing the milk very fast. That's why I have added. You can totally avoid this step if you don't want to add milk powder. And keep in mind that no lump should be there, so I will keep on stirring it. After half an hour, you see the milk has been reduced to half and its color also changed to light pink color. So now it's done. I am going to switch off the flame and keep it aside for cool down. Now we will take 2 mangoes and we'll cut the top part, and we have to retain that part. And now with the help of knife I am going to make the cuts on all the sides of its hard part, but be very careful because we don't have to cut the outer part. Just keep in mind to remove the hard part from mid. So if you can see, I am also struggling in removing that hard part, but yes, be patient and be careful here. So you see, it involves lots of practice, lots of patience. So cooking is all about the patience. So once you will feel that the part has been displacing from its original place, then try to squeeze it from the bottom, and then automatically that gutli will come out. See, here I am squeezing it from the bottom. So basically we have to create one cavity, so don't worry about the pulp. We can fill up the pulp. Now see, the hard part comes out and I am going to fill up the pulp. Now similar way, taking the second mango and creating a cavity inside it by removing the hard part from it. So friends, this will require a lot of practice. This was also my first time, so yes, it requires a practice, a patience, and fortunately my mango, that hard part comes out after a very good effort. So please keep on doing your effort and don't give up. So now the second mango is also done. Once your first mango is done, once you able to remove the first part, you will come to know the technique and you can easily do that method on the second time also. So friends, now I am going to take 2 glass. You can take 2 balls as well, and putting the mangoes here in this way, and then inside this cavity I am going to fill first of all the pulp which is remaining there on my tray, and then the reduced milk, you can see. So this is the same milk which we have prepared in the beginning of the video. The milk has came to the room temperature. So friends, if you will get some kind of lumps there, what you can do, you can blend it in your mixer grinder. And see, I have filled in the cavity with this reduced milk, and here I have retained that upper part which we have cut down. So I am going to cover it, and then I am going to deep freeze it for 8 to 9 hours. So now after 9 hours, the mangoes are done. The mango kulfi is done, and you can see I can easily take it out from the glass. Yes. Now with the help of any scraper, I am going to remove the outer skin of this mango in this way. So here the mangoes are so chilled that we have to work really very fast. And now with the help of a knife, I am going to give it a cut. Now see how beautiful it looks, how delicious it looks. So friends, I hope you like this video and you like this recipe as well. And I hope you will try this recipe, because in this hot summer and mango season is on, so you will must not skip this recipe. Please must try this recipe, and for any queries or any difficulties if you face, please do message me on the comment box. I am ready to help you. So now I am going to serve these slices on a serving tray. So now here I am going to garnish this mango kulfi very quickly with pistachios, which I have already chopped. So now this is very much ready to eat, because in the summer the kulfi is getting melted. So let's start eating. Please must subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you.